Money problems usually aren't about money. They're about how people think money works. Most people do what they were told. Work hard, earn more, spend responsibly. Yet the stress stays. Savings feel fragile. The future feels unclear. That's not a personal failure. It's a knowledge gap. Money runs on simple rules, but those rules are rarely explained clearly. Once you understand them, money stops feeling random and starts feeling logical. This is the foundation most people never get. Money is not a scorecard. It's not a reward. It's a decision tool. Every dollar is a choice made visible. Where you send it today decides what options you have later. Money doesn't judge effort. It follows instructions. If money feels out of control, it's usually because decisions are happening automatically. Clarity begins when you choose deliberately. Income creates movement. It comes in, then it goes out. Wealth is what remains after the movement stops. You can earn more and still feel unstable. You can earn average and feel secure. The difference is not income size. It's control. When every dollar already has a job, your future has no flexibility. Stability comes from margin. Margin comes from intention. Spending isn't bad. Avoiding spending isn't the goal. Spending is a timing decision. Comfort now, or options later. Every purchase answers that question. Even the small ones. Money spent today can't support tomorrow. This isn't about guilt. It's about awareness. Once you see spending clearly, choices become calmer. Most people search for the right move, the perfect plan, the ideal moment. Money doesn't need perfection. It responds to consistency. Small decisions made often beat big decisions made rarely. Effort earns money once. Time multiplies decisions. The calm path usually wins. Now imagine two people with the same paycheck, same job, same rent, same lifestyle. One person spends first, bills, comfort, upgrades, savings if anything is left. The other decides first. A small amount is set aside immediately. Then life continues normally. No extremes. No painful sacrifices. After 1 year, the difference is small. After 3 years, it's noticeable. After 10 years, it's life-changing. Nothing dramatic happened. Only the order changed. Money obeyed the first instruction it received. Most people think money problems are solved by earning more, so they wait. For the raise, for the better job, for the right time. But habits don't change with income. They scale. More money without clarity creates bigger versions of the same stress. Another mistake is treating money emotionally, using it to relieve pressure, to reward effort, to avoid discomfort. Emotion feels good short-term and expensive long-term. Money needs logic, not emotion. People who handle money well decide early. They don't negotiate with every choice. They remove friction. They focus on direction, not speed, on control, not extremes. They think in years, not weeks. Money rewards patience quietly. Here's one simple step. Before your next paycheck arrives, choose one number. It can be small, even uncomfortably small. That number goes to your future first. Automatically. No debate. Then live normally. Don't optimize yet. Don't overthink. Just prove to yourself that one clear decision can repeat without effort. That's how money starts working for you. If you want calm, logical money thinking, delivered daily, subscribe to Cash Logic. No hype. Just clarity. Money doesn't need to be mastered. It needs to be understood. And once it is, everything gets simpler.